Welcome back, everybody. As I introduced you in the last video, I'm going to show you that music has an alphabet. Now I'll introduce you to the alphabet of music. So in language, when we have an alphabet, we have letters. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and out of those letters we make words. In music, we have different sounds, of course, whereby we work. So let me introduce you to the alphabet of music. So what you just heard are 7 different sounds. The 8th sound that you heard is already back to the beginning. That's how this alphabet works. After every 7 sounds, it keeps coming back to itself. But not to get into that too deeply, but there are 7 different sounds, and all the songs of the world are made up of different combinations of those 7 sounds. Believe it or not, only 7 sounds, and out of that we create all the wonderful music in the world that we know. We refer to them sometimes with numbers, and in this series I'll be referring to them with numbers so you know what I'm speaking about. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have a little bit of a sensitivity to it, you would notice that the 8th that I just sang, the last sound, sounded like you came back home, and that's because it's the same as the first sound you heard, which has a feeling of home. Now you start to notice that I'm speaking to you about a feeling of home or not home, and that is the real secret of how music works. In those 7 sounds that you heard, the first one has a feeling of home. All the others, you're going away from home. And that's how you start to have a feeling of being at home and not being at home in a song. As I'll show you in the coming videos, that's how you get musical phrases, musical questions, musical answers. Because as you can already start to imagine, in some musical sentences you will be going away from home, and some you will be coming back to home. To summarize again, the musical alphabet consists of 7 different sounds, out of which we create all the wonderful music that we have.